What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. You're watching another Izzy's Review. Today we are reviewing HoneyLove's body tank. Let me tell you, I am wearing it now. I've been wearing it all day long so I can give you all the details about how this garment kept me snatched all day long. So I usually take the garment off and hold it up and show it to you, but I got you covered. I took some photos in the garment and I got some photos of me wearing my dress full view. So that's going to be either sprinkled in the video or at the end. So immediately when I put on this tank, I will say that I felt compression, but not where I couldn't breathe, right? So another thing that I was excited about is that the cups, I wish you could see, but YouTube might ban this video if I showed you my rear. On the butt cheeks, you know, where the garment that covers your butt, it has this like silicone ridging where it won't give you a wedgie. So that's the immediate thing I noticed when I put this on. I don't have to worry about a wedgie or like, you hear that, pulling it out throughout the day, because it has this silicone ridging on it that makes the garment stay in place smooth, it won't ride, all of that. Second thing I noticed is I have to pee, right? How do I use the restroom? And HoneyLove thinks of everything. It has this hook and eye clip between your legs. So bathroom, check. Wedgie, check. Smoothing effect, check. So the third thing that I noticed when I'm wearing this garment is, y'all know, right? The booby guards. That's what I call them. So here you go. Easy to take out, easy to put back in. These nipple guards, what is it? It's just an extra layer of fabric where you don't see your nipples, you know, if you go from hot to cold or whatever is happening. So with these, there's a little slit on the side where you can just stuff it back in, or you can just lay it between the garment and your actual breast. So those are the top three things that I noticed wearing this garment. So in sizing, I'm wearing a 3X and I'm wearing the black. And this is the tank. And I liked it because it didn't slide all day. Like sometimes with bras, you know, you're doing this all day long. Doing this all day long. They didn't move. I didn't have to adjust it. And I like it because it is a tank. It looks like I'm wearing a tank under my dress. Some women are modest and don't want their bra to show. Guess what? I'm not wearing a bra. So I have full coverage support for my girls, and I have something that's fashionable where I can put this under a blazer and some pants or some shorts. Like, the tank itself can be not only shapewear but a staple for my wardrobe, I feel like. So date night, honey, yes, I was like, I could wear this with some jewelry and maybe a sexy sheer skirt or some shorts and some pumps. Endless. Shapewear, underwear, and a little bit of outerwear depending on how you want to slice it up and spice it up for the evening, right? Day to night, gotta love it. So all things considered, this tank is definitely a must-have in any girl's wardrobe. Look out for those pictures at the end. I'm telling you, like, I felt covered, I felt secure, I can move, but y'all heard that note? I can breathe, and I am wearing a 3X. I will say, my dimensions haven't changed that much, but I do have that gastric issue that I don't really talk about much, but it causes a lot of expansion after I eat or if I'm stressed. So I have a lot of room in the 3X, but I feel like it's large enough with a 54 to 52 inch waist where I can see smoothing and compression. Now, if you want to be snatched, and I mean like that, I would probably do a 2X. But again, I like to be comfortable, I like to breathe, I want to be able to move and feel comfortable. I think a 3X is perfect. So thank you guys for watching. If you have not already, like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments below, ask me questions. I want to give you feedback. That's what I'm here for. But until next time, with much love, Izzy.